Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use HubSpot CRM for marketing. We'll start by exploring its fundamental features, designed to streamline your marketing efforts. You'll learn to centralize all your customer information, creating a unified view for more impactful campaigns. We'll also cover how to leverage its powerful tools for generating new leads and effectively nurturing them through their journey, ensuring no opportunity is missed. Next, let's dive into lead generation and management. HubSpot CRM allows you to easily build professional landing pages and forms, making lead capture seamless. You can then segment your audience with precision, tailoring your messages to specific groups. Furthermore, automate lead scoring to identify and focus on the prospects most likely to convert, saving valuable time and resources. Now, let's talk about email marketing and automation. HubSpot provides intuitive tools to design personalized email campaigns using hundreds of customizable templates. You can set up powerful automated workflows to nurture leads with targeted content, ensuring consistent engagement. Plus, track every email's performance with detailed analytics, giving you clear insights into what's working best. Finally, we'll cover reporting and optimization. HubSpot CRM offers customizable dashboards to monitor all your key marketing metrics at a glance. Analyze the effectiveness of your campaigns to pinpoint strengths and weaknesses. Use these valuable insights to continuously refine your marketing strategy, ensuring you achieve maximum return on investment and drive consistent growth for your business.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.